Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform. Okay, so you can see right here the name of this platform is viewpointng.com. okay, so guys, trust me, if you're going to be signing up on this website, I'll drop the link to sign up on the description of this video. Okay, and once you sign up, you're going to be getting a welcome bonus for yourself. Okay, so guys, make sure you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. Okay, so right here you can see these are withdrawals I was able to make on this platform weeks back. Okay, so right here you can see this is 4,900, this is 4,500, and this is 3,800. okay, so right here you can see this is approved. You can see they are all approved and they were paid directly to my bank account. Okay, so right here you can see I still have up to 30,850 points right here, which is gonna be paid directly to my bank account. Okay, so guys, all you have to do on this platform daily is to just log in and then watch a single video. I think the video is about 45 seconds or 30 seconds. So of the videos are not even up to that. Okay, so all you just have to do is watch the video and then you share a viral post on Facebook. Okay, so once you share those things, you're gonna get your money paid to this place, and once it gets to the withdrawal date, you're just gonna withdraw and they're gonna pay you directly to your bank account. Okay, so guys, you can trust me, this website is actually legit because I've been able to withdraw from this website several times, and trust me, you're gonna be withdrawing without referring anybody. Okay, you can withdraw your earning without referring anybody. Okay, so guys, this website is actually legit, although if you still refer people, you still make money for yourself, and if you don't refer, you're still gonna be making money. Okay, and to join this platform, you can actually sign up for any of the two plans. Okay, so for the normal plan, you can sign up with 2,500 and you're going to be making a whole lot of money on this website. And you can see right here, cash out 60,000 monthly, upgrade to video premium. This video premium, to sign up for this video premium, is actually 10,000 naira. Okay, so once you sign up on this platform using 10,000 naira, you can see what they are telling you here: cash out 60,000 monthly, and all you're going to be doing is just watch single video. Okay, and after watching the video, you share a post, and trust me, you're going to be making money daily. Okay, so you can see this is 7,950 for the viral post I've been sharing, and you can see at the top here I have 30,850. So guys, this website is actually legit. All you just have to do is sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, log in every day, complete these tasks, and just forget about every other thing. Okay, so this process is something you're going to be repeating on daily basis to keep making money for yourself. And if you still refer people to the platform, you're still going to get commission for yourself, which you can withdraw every Wednesday and Sundays. So guys, make sure you test this website out. Okay, I'll be dropping the link to sign up on this website in the description of this video, so make sure you use the link to sign up so you can get a welcome bonus for yourself. So guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop any videos on my channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so for my returning subscribers, I'll say thank you for always showing up, thank you for always watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.